The Bank of Jamaica is set to launch a new online financial education game aimed at primary school students. The platform, called MoneyQuest, will roll out in April and target students in grades 4 to 6. The details in this report from Danita Rodney.
Speaking at the bank's quarterly monetary policy report press conference in downtown Kingston, head of the Financial Inclusion Unit, Dr. Andre Murray, said the game blends financial literacy with academic concepts and problem solving, all aligned with the primary exit profile syllabus.
It will blend financial knowledge, academic concepts, and problem solving with adventure, and make the learning of these financial concepts fun, memorable, and actually curriculum aligned. So importantly, the PEP syllabus was used to be incorporated in this game, so they won't just be wasting time playing the game. They'll actually be studying and using useful skills to pass the PEP and also build these life skills.
Dr. Murray says the initiative has already undergone beta testing in schools across the island and is designed to make learning interactive and engaging.
We've had beta testing with schools from around the country, and we're hoping that in the end we'll be able to launch this in April 2026. And so we're trying to leverage the power of play, help children to develop these habits, confidence, and financial skills that will serve them for life.
He says introducing financial education at the primary level will help shape a generation that sees money management as a life skill.
So MoneyQuest allows students to learn these financial concepts and academic concepts with problem solving, decision making, etc. But by introducing financial education at the primary level, we are helping to cultivate a generation of Jamaicans that understand money management as a life skill and not merely as a subject area. So can you imagine a Jamaica where every child grows up understanding money, not with fear, but with curiosity, with confidence, and with control? That this is the start of generation that we want to build. And I actually believe that the best way to educate adults is to actually start with the children.
MoneyQuest forms part of the bank's wider push to strengthen financial capability and trust in the financial system.
So the broader vision is that these initiatives are part of a larger mission to strengthen financial capability, expand access, and build trust in our financial system. So when people understand money, they make better and stronger choices. When families thrive, the economy grows. And when citizens are confident, the nation actually becomes more resilient.
The game was developed by Database Technologies Limited. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Danita Rodney.